Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a headset mic that's not working in Windows 11 or when your headphones aren't being detected after plugging them in. First, open the search bar and go to Settings. From there, click on Privacy. Scroll down to Microphone and make sure microphone access is turned on. Also, check that it's enabled for the apps you want to use. Next, open the Control panel. Change the view by option to large icons, then click on Sound. In the Playback tab, select your headset and set it as the default device. A green check mark will appear once it's set. Double-click on it, make sure the device is enabled, and then under Levels, turn the volume up to 100. Now switch to the Recording tab and do the same thing. Set your microphone as the default device, check that it's enabled, and adjust the levels. You can also enable Listen to this device to test if your voice is being picked up. After that, open the Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs, find your headset, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Make sure the best driver is installed. Finally, restart your computer and your headset microphone should now be working properly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. For more tech tips, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.